In today's video, I'm going to teach you about using Midjourney to design websites. Now, this is a game changer if you're a web designer and want to create quick templates or quick mock-ups for your clients. So, instead of trying to fiddle around inside Midjourney, I'm going to teach you how to do it better. Go to Google and you're going to go to a website called PromptBase. Now, this depends on what kind of website you're making. So let's say you're making an e-commerce website. We can type in e-commerce. Go to Midjourney, and I'll type in e-commerce website. And here you can see there are tons of different prompts and examples for e-commerce websites. So let's go to one that looks good. This one here looks not too bad. It's not really what I want. Let me find another example. This one here, this is much better. This is way better e-commerce site. So this prompt here, it costs you $4, just under $4, and it's going to give you the prompts to make this kind of style stuff. Now, once you buy this, it's going to give you a prompt, and the prompt is going to come with instructions, and the instructions are going to tell you how to customize it according to your needs. So it will have different options for the background color, the foreground images, the text, all of that kind of stuff, so that you can make it custom to your requirements. Now, I'd really recommend doing this. It's going to save you so much time, and it's only $3.99, so it's definitely worth it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.